Hello viewers, if you watch today's video till the end, you will learn how to invest a small amount of money and make a huge profit by selling social media services. So please don't skip this video and watch it from start to finish. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of my new uploads. To start making money by selling social media services, first go to Chrome browser, then search for Followize. Click on the first website that appears. After visiting the website, click on Login with Google. Then sign up using any Gmail ID on your phone. To purchase social media services from this website, you must first make a deposit. To deposit, click on the three-dot menu and then click on the Deposit button. There are two payment methods available on this website, one Cryptomus, two Payeer. Select the payment method you want to use. Then, enter the amount of dollars you want to add in the amount field and click Continue. After that, click Confirm. To make the payment, click to pay the bill. Then log into your Payeer account using your login ID and password and click Go Next. A code will be sent to the Gmail ID you used to create your Payeer account. Enter the code and click Go Next. Finally, click Confirm. Once confirmed, the payment will be automatically added to your website account. After completing the payment, return to the Followize website and click on New Order. To resell social media services from this website, first click on Platform category. Then select the service you want to sell. For example, if you want to sell Instagram services, click on Instagram. Let me first show you how to sell Instagram followers. Click on Followers, then select service number 2068. In the link field, enter your client's Instagram account link. In the quantity field, enter the number of followers you want to order. For example, let's say you are selling 10,000 followers. The cost for 10,000 followers is around $18. If you sell them at $5 per 1,000 followers, the total price for 10,000 followers will be around $50. This means your profit will be approximately $32. Now, let me show you how to resell YouTube services and earn a good profit. Go back to Platform category, then click on Service Group. Select the service you want to resell. First, I will show you the YouTube Watch Time service. Click on Watch Time, then select service number 2941. With this service, you can order a minimum of 4,000 hours and a maximum of 4,000 hours of watch time. In the link field, you need to provide a link to a 1-hour video. The cost of 4,000 watch hours is around $63. If you sell it for $100, your profit will be around $36. Next, let's look at how to sell YouTube subscribers. Click on Service Group, then click on Subscribers. Select service number 572. Enter the channel link in the link field. Enter the number of subscribers you want to order in the quantity field. For example, let's say you are selling 10,000 subscribers. The cost for 10,000 subscribers is around $30. If you sell them at $10 per 1,000 subscribers, the price for 10,000 will be around $100. Your profit in this case will be around $70. Finally, let's see how to sell YouTube views and make money. Click on Service Group, then scroll down and select service number 34. In the link field, enter the YouTube video link. In the quantity field, enter the number of views you want to sell. For example, let's say you are selling 10,000 views. The cost for 10,000 views is around $9. If you sell them at $2 per 1,000 views, the total price for 10,000 views will be around $20. That means your profit will be around $11. Now, let me show you how you can sell Facebook services and make a good profit. First, click on Platform category, then click on Service Group. After that, select the service you want to resell. Let's start with selling Facebook followers. Click on Followers, then select service number 1270. In the link field, enter the Facebook page link. In the quantity field, enter the number of followers you want to order. For example, let's say you are selling 10,000 followers. The cost for 10,000 followers is around $5. If you sell them at $2 per 1,000 followers, the total price for 10,000 followers will be around $5, $20. This means your profit will be about $15. You can sell many other social media services from this website as well. And if you ever face any issues, you can raise a ticket or contact them on WhatsApp. They respond very quickly and solve your problem. Thank you for watching the complete video.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind